In today's video, we dive into the exciting world of China's tech revolution, focusing on two innovative giants, DJI and Xpeng. These companies are leading the charge in shaping the future of drones, flying cars, and electric vehicles, blending technology with futuristic visions. First, let's start with DJI, the world's leading drone manufacturer. DJI revolutionized the drone industry by creating powerful, consumer-friendly aerial devices that are used for photography, videography, and more. Known for their precision and cutting-edge technology, DJI drones offer seamless control, stunning camera quality, and advanced stabilization, making them the go-to choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Their impact isn't limited to leisure either. DJI drones have also been deployed in commercial settings, including agriculture, infrastructure inspections, and even disaster relief. Now let's shift gears to Xpeng, which is taking China's tech game to new heights. Literally, Xpeng is breaking boundaries with its latest X2 flying car. The X2 is not just a flying vehicle, but an autonomous flying car designed for urban and intercity transportation. This two-seater vehicle, created by Xpeng's subsidiary AeroHT, boasts a sleek design, resembling a drone more than a traditional car. With autonomous flight features and zero carbon emissions, the X2 is part of China's larger plan to innovate the low-altitude economy. Xpeng's journey into the skies doesn't stop with the X2. They are also developing the land carrier, a hybrid vehicle meant for both ground and air travel, which is expected to hit the market soon. The potential of these flying cars is immense, from reducing traffic congestion in cities to enabling quick medical transport. The X2 recently had a successful public flight in Beijing, showcasing its capabilities to the world. However, it's not all smooth sailing. While the concept of flying cars is thrilling, challenges remain. Questions about cost, practicality, and regulation loom large. Will these cars ever become accessible for the masses? And even if they do, where will they fly? The logistics of flying cars in densely populated areas will need careful consideration, including setting up flight paths and landing zones. In addition to flying cars, Xpeng is a leader in the electric vehicle market. Their EVs, like the Xpeng P7, are designed with cutting-edge autonomous driving features and energy efficiency, positioning them as serious competitors to brands like Tesla. The rise of electric vehicles in China is part of the country's push towards greener, more sustainable urban mobility. DJI and Xpeng represent two sides of China's tech revolution. One soaring through the skies, and the other transforming the roads. Together, they showcase China's rapid advancement in the fields of drone technology, electric mobility, and now, flying cars. Stay tuned to see what the future holds as these two companies continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Will flying cars and autonomous drones become a common sight in our cities? Only time will tell.